Welcome to this brief overview. We've logged into the chalex homepage in order to show you a new feature that we've added to SmartFlo, and that is the ability to embed forms inside of any web page and allow that form to be used to launch a workflow. In this case, we're going to launch a purchase order request workflow, which you see depicted here. If we just go back to the home page, or the SmartFlo page, we'll see click to start PO request process. We're going to click, and that is going to hyperlink us to this SmartFlo form. It's going to launch a workflow, that workflow we just showed you in SmartFlo. Now, we created this form using the FileFlow XML form builder, and here you can see the form in its graphical representation. You could see the XML of the form. And this is a drag and drop form builder, so you can drag assets around and move them on the form, and they'll update automatically on the actual embedded website. So if we go back to our website, here we have the basic form, and we've filled it out. We want to buy one of these little babies here, so we'll just submit our request, and basically, it wants to know who's sending that. I am. And I'm going to go ahead and submit the request, at which point we'll go over to FileFlow, log into our job board, reset it, and basically we've ordered some basic transport, confirm request. We are operational with this workflow, and it's going to begin with me confirming that request. Person on the staff is going to be able to find that, so this is a link to the 599 GTO on the website, and I'll go ahead and complete my task and submit it to my manager. If I go back to the job board, we can see we're at manager review. Manager opens it up. You can see we're here at the task. It's got the access to the job bag. Can click on the URL. It knows that that's what I want. And we're all set. So you've got a quick look at how we can use a form to start a job, and you can see that there'd be a lot of different applications for that. The other thing that we can do is we can actually use the form within a task in the workflow to start other workflows while you're operating inside of a workflow. And again, there are no limitations to what you could do there. So this is an onboarding form, but you could do bid request forms, virtually any type of form. Just load it into the SmartFlo server. If this is a bid request form, here's a bid request, and whatever level and amount of information you want, you can configure, and you can decide how you want that start button to work in terms of what workflow it will start and what metadata you're going to associate with the workflow, so you can find and filter the jobs on the job board. So we've seen how we were able to start the bid request form through a workflow from within a job. Let's take a look now at some other forms. Here's a simple one for customer contact form. I could see you putting that on a website and allowing the customers to fill out contact information. Here's a media booking form. These are all drag and drop forms that have been created and can be modified. We can add a field to the form. Let's just add a start job button. And so when someone fills this form out, it's going to move through a workflow, and we're going to select which affiliate we're going to associate the form with. If I say it's going to be affiliate 1, then I have a choice of project managers in that affiliate and a choice of workflows and information that this form will kick off a workflow for. We have all kinds of other forms that we'll make available to anyone that wants a starter package. Save you a little bit of work in terms of getting things up and going. Here's a print spec form. Perhaps you're going to fill out information about a print job and you want to identify the specs. How about just scheduling an appointment? Putting this up on your website and being able to schedule an appointment. And thanks for taking a few minutes to watch this brief overview on SmartFlo Forms. If you would like more information, please visit the chalex website and call us to set up a personal demo.